we will take up exercise 15C, which is related to your pie chart. I have already explained you how you draw a pie chart, how you read a pie chart. So we are going to do the questions which are based on the pie chart. Question number 1 we will take today first. See, you have the pie chart which is made on the side, which is saying cycling, fishing, skating and hiking. These are the 4 things which they have shown on the pie chart. Okay. Now let's see the questions which are following that. What fraction of Bunny's classmates choose cycling? So if you see the pie chart on the side, the whole circle is divided into 4 parts. That means if I am going to write the fraction, my denominator will be 4, because one circle is divided into 4 parts. So my denominator will be 4 and my numerator will be 1, because they are only asking about the cycling, one part. Okay. So I am going to write my fraction as 1 upon 4. So what fraction of Bunny's classmates choose cycling? It will be 1 upon 4. The second question. What fraction said fishing was their favorite activity? Now if you see fishing is marked on half of the circle. The circle is divided from the center into 2 halves. One half they only have fishing and the other half they have cycling, hiking and skating. So if you see fishing is just half of the circle, that means my fraction is going to be 1 upon 2 for fishing. So the second answer will be 1 upon 2. Third one, which activity was the least favorite? So in the pie chart if you see, hiking is the portion which is made into a very least column. सबसे पतला जो column divided है वो hiking का है. That means it is the least liked activity by the people. So my answer will be hiking. Which activity was the least favorite? So you will write hiking activity was the least favorite. See the fourth one. Which outdoor activity was the most popular among Bunny's classmates? So if you see the most popular, that means the larger area which is covering is the fishing part. Fishing is covering the maximum area of the pie chart. That means fishing is the most favorite activity of the people. So answer will be fishing. See the last one. Which activity was the more liked, cycling or skating? So if you look at the portion for cycling and you look at the portion for skating, you will see that cycling portion is more as compared to the skating portion. So definitely cycling is the activity which is more liked if I am comparing cycling or skating. Okay. So these are the answers which are for your question number 1. You will write these answers in your book only and keep it ready. You will write it with the pencil. I hope you must have understood it, because already I have explained you in the previous video how to read the pie chart, how to draw a pie chart. Okay children? If you have any problem, you can always ask me.